Let's start with the present perfect simple. The structure is has or have plus past participle. Look at this examples. I have eaten. She has gone. Remember to use has for singular nouns and personal pronouns, I, she, and he. While use have for plural subjects and personal pronouns you, they and we. We use the present perfect simple to talk about an action that started and finished in the past but the time is indefinite, unknown or not important. When we use the present perfect simple in this way, there is often a present result to the action, as it connects the past with the present. Take a look at these examples. I've been to university. Which means I went in the past but I do not say when. The world population has increased significantly in recent years. This means that it increased in the past but the result is now a high population. Next, we use the present perfect simple to talk about an action that started in the past but is not finished and is continuing now. We usually use for or since. For describes the length of the action. Since describes the starting point of the action. Look at these examples. Global warming has been an issue for the last 2 decades. Technology has developed significantly since industrialization. We also use the present perfect simple to talk about actions with just, already, yet. We use yet with negative verbs or in questions. For example, scientists have just discovered water on Mars. We've already studied this topic. Have you completed the essay yet? Other time expressions commonly used with the present perfect are, ever, recently, so far, until now, up to now, over the last 3 months. Now, let's talk about the past simple. We use the past simple to talk about an action or situation that started and finished in the past. Take a look at these examples. The company became more energy efficient in 2015. Oil prices fell last year. We form the past simple as follows. For positive. Subject. Plus verb. Plus ed for negative. Subject. Plus didn't. Plus infinitive. For question. Did. Plus subject. Plus infinitive. Past simple can be regular verbs that are formed by adding d or ed to the verb, or irregular verbs that changes their spelling to form the past tense. There are many irregular verbs in the positive, like had, gave, found. Time expressions commonly used with the past simple are, ago, at 4 o'clock, before 2010, in 2016, last week, yesterday. Are you ready for a challenge? Take this short quiz and test yourself. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb in parentheses. Use either the present perfect simple or the past simple. Pause the video if you need more time. Good luck! 1. I visit Japan twice. The answer is I had visited Japan twice. 2. She lose her keys yesterday. The answer is she lost her keys yesterday. 3. They finish their homework already. The answer is they had finished their homework already. 4. We go to the beach last weekend. The answer is we went to the beach last weekend. 5. He not slash see that movie yet. The answer is he haven't seen that movie yet. 6. I meet my best friend in high school. The answer is I met my best friend in high school. 7. Blank you ever try sushi? The answer is, have you ever tried sushi? 8. My parents buy a new car in 2020. The answer is, my parents bought a new car in 2020. 9. She work here since 2018. The answer is, she has worked here since 2018. 10. The concert start an hour ago. The answer is, the concert started an hour ago. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. To sum up today's lesson, we use the present perfect simple to talk about actions with a connection to the present, experiences without saying when, and actions that just happened with just, already, and yet. We use the past simple to talk about completed actions in the past with a specific time and a series of past events. On the next episode of the Mastering IELTS series, we will talk about zero and the first conditional. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more English lessons every week. Check out my other videos in the playlist here and in the description below. Do subscribe and click that bell icon so you won't miss future videos in this channel.